Hello my dear students, I welcome each one of you to RD English tutorial. In this video, we will learn degrees of comparison, which is a small part under transformation of sentences. So, let's start. Degrees are of three types, isn't it? So, what are the three types of degrees? That is positive, comparative and superlative. So when we have one thing or one object, that comes under positive degree. When we compare between two things, two objects or two persons, then it becomes comparative degree. And when we compare more than two things, then it comes under superlative degree. So let's learn how to transform the sentences from one degree to another degree. So before that, we need to know the positive, comparative and superlative form of the adjectives. So there are some adjectives here. Big. So we have three degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So big is the adjective. So if we compare, if we make it comparative, it will become what? It is bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. And when we convert this bigger into superlative degree, it becomes biggest. Biggest. Now go to the next adjective, that is short. So can you answer what will be the comparative degree of short? Yes, it is short, shorter. It is shorter. And what will be the superlative form? It will be shortest. Shortest. So like this, if we add er with the adjective, it becomes comparative degree, and when we add est with the adjective, then it becomes superlative degree. In case of some short adjectives like big, hot, in that case we need to double the last letter, double the last letters. You can see here, like big, we have used double G. Similarly, in superlative degree also we have used double G. That means we have doubled the last consonant letter. Now, in case of short, we write simply shorter and shortest. Our next adjective is pretty. So, this adjective ends with Y. Now, in that case, what we need to do? If the adjective ends with Y, we have to make it I-E-R, prettier. And similarly, in superlative degree also, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-S-T, prettiest. When the adjective ends with Y, we have to remove that, replace that with I, then E-R and E-S-T. Now, next example is nice. So simple, nice, nicer, nicest. Nicer, nicest. We often make the mistake. Some people say it is more nice or most nice, but it's not correct. So what is the correct form? Comparative and superlative form of nice, it is nicer and nicest. Similarly, now we have another adjective, that is good. Some adjective doesn't take er and est form in order to make comparative and superlative. So it directly changes. So good, comparative degree will be better. Good, better, and the superlative form is best. Superlative form is best. Now another example, bad. This is not better or baddest. It is worse and worst. In comparative form it is worse, and superlative form W-O-R-S-E, worst. Now hot. Hot is again a short adjective with only one syllable, like big. This is also very short, hot. So in this case it will double the last letter and add er and est. H-O-T-T, ER and HOTTEST. Hot, hotter, hottest. Let's take a few more examples. Happy. So this adjective ends with Y. In that case, we have to replace the Y and make it I. Then ER, happier. And the superlative form will be HAPPIEST. I already told you in the adjectives ending with Y, we have to replace the Y with I. Then ER and EST. Next example is funny. Same thing here. So funny will be funnier. FUNNIER. This Y will be replaced with I. Then ER. And funniest. 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 Now beautiful. So this is a long syllabic word. This is a long syllabic word. How many syllables are there? You can see beautiful. That means there are 3 syllables. So this is a long syllabic word. In case of long syllabic word, we use more and most in order to make it comparative and superlative. So it is more beautiful, and most beautiful. More beautiful and most beautiful. So in case of long syllabic word, we use more and most to make it comparative and superlative. Next word is intelligent. This is also a long syllabic word. If we count the syllables, we find intelligent. There are 4 syllables. Intelligent. There are 4 syllables here. So this is a long syllabic word. In case of long syllabic words, we use more and most. It is more intelligent, and most intelligent. Got it? So next word is interesting. So this is also a long syllabic word. In that case, we use more and most. More interesting and most interesting. Our next word is realistic. Realistic is also a long syllabic word, so it will take more and most. More realistic and most realistic. Similarly, important. This is also a long syllabic word. In this case also, we have to use more and most. More important and most important. So this is how one adjective is changed to comparative and superlative form. Now let's learn how we convert one degree to another degree. In order to transform one degree to another degree, we need to identify the degree in the sentence. Now let's see the first example. Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. So let us identify the adjective first. What is the adjective here in this sentence? It is bigger. Bigger is the adjective here. So can you guess in what form it is? Positive, comparative or superlative? So it has taken ER with it. So it means it is comparative degree. So this sentence is in comparative degree. This is in comparative form. Now we need to change it at first to positive degree. Let us change it to positive degree first, and then we will make it superlative degree. First positive, then superlative degree. In order to make it positive, we need to use one term, that is no other. When we convert a degree into positive, then we have to use no other. Use the phrase no other. In order to make positive, we use no other. No other. So no other. Now let us take the noun city. No other city in India. No other city in India. No other city in India is. We have to make it positive. That means big, bigger, biggest. So what will be the positive form of this? The positive form of bigger is big. So it is no other city in India is as big as Kolkata. As big as Kolkata. So if we are asked to convert the sentence into positive degree, then we need to use this phrase no other at the beginning. So we'll start with no other. Then we'll take the noun city in India is, then we make it in positive form as big as Kolkata. Now let us try to change it into superlative degree. Now what will be the superlative form of this adjective? This is big, bigger, biggest. Biggest will be the superlative form. Now the noun will remain here. Kolkata is the biggest, big, bigger, biggest. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. So we have taken the superlative form of the adjective biggest, and before that we need to use this article the. Before superlative degree, we need to use the article the. Then Kolkata is the biggest city in India. Now we have got all the three forms of the same sentence without changing the meaning. Now second example, the Brahmaputra is the biggest river in Assam. The Brahmaputra is the biggest river in Assam. So let us check the adjective first. Biggest is the adjective. So it is in what form? This is superlative form. So we can identify easily. It is superlative form. So it is superlative form. Now at first we need to make it, convert it to positive. Then we need to change it to comparative. So first of all, let us do it in positive degree. Let us see. The Brahmaputra is the biggest river in Assam. So in case of positive degree, we will take the phrase no other. In case of positive degree, we will start the sentence with no other. So let us start. No other. Then the noun river. No other river. No other river in Assam. No other river in Assam is similarly as big as. Same adjective here. As big as the Brahmaputra. As big as the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra. So we have changed it to positive degree now. Now let us make it comparative degree. So in order to make it comparative degree, the sentence will remain like this. The beginning will remain the same. The Brahmaputra is bigger. Bigger. So in comparative form it will be bigger. Then we will use than. Bigger than. T-H-A-N. Don't make a mistake here. Most of the students write T-H-E-N, but this is not E. It should be A. So the Brahmaputra is bigger than any other river in Assam. Any other river in Assam. So this is the comparative form of this sentence. Our next example is Sohail is the best player in the team. So let us identify the degree in this sentence. So this is the adjective best. Best is the superlative form. So it is in superlative degree. So it is a superlative degree. Best. So what will be the positive form of this? Good. Good will be the positive form. So let us now convert into a positive degree without changing the meaning. Then we convert it into comparative degree. Comparative degree. So in order to make it positive, we use the phrase no other. Yes, no other. So no other player. No other player in the team is as good as. The positive form of best is good. No other player in the team is as good as Sohail. As good as Sohail. Now let us make it comparative. So Sohail, S-O-H-A-I-L, Sohail is. So what will be the comparative form of this adjective best? It is better. Comparative form is better. Sohail is better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better than. T-H-A-N, not T-H-E-N. It is T-H-A-N. So it is better than any other player in the team. This is the comparative form. Now let us take the last example of this video. No other girl in the class is as beautiful as Radha. So let us identify whether it is positive, comparative or superlative. So let us check the adjective. The adjective is here beautiful. So beautiful is the adjective. It is a positive form. This is a positive form. Now we will convert this sentence into comparative degree. So let us take the subject Radha. Radha is, now we are making it comparative. So what will be the comparative form of beautiful? It is more beautiful. Radha is more beautiful than any other girl. Than any other girl in the class. Any other girl in the class. This is the comparative form of this sentence. Now let us make it superlative. So what will be the superlative form of beautiful? It is most beautiful. Radha is the most beautiful girl in the class. Radha is the most beautiful girl in the class. Here we come to the end of this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like it and don't forget to subscribe our channel RD English Tutorial.